Hi, it's me again. Wait, where is she? I want to say she's this nice person, her Cookie Monster. She has a shared wait. Yeah, Cookie Monster 1089. She is very nice, and I've been talking to her for a little while, and she's quite I like her a lot. She's really nice. Okay, so I'm not 5. I sound 5 on camera. I hate my voice on camera. But yeah, so this is my first video, and I'm doing my MSP video. I leveled up to level 21. No, my mouse is laggy. Whatever it's called, clicker. I leveled to level 21, and I got that ugly. Oh, well, it's nice, but it's not the best. La la la. So right now I've just been like going about doing my new stuff. I'm gonna go like try and get a really one of the cheapest outfits I can find. So I'm gonna pause like until I find a cheap, like I get into like the female area and get a really cheap thing up. Okay, I couldn't find the theme I was looking for because it's MSP's annoying me. And yeah, so this is just gonna be really laggy, like really laggy usually, but it's working, yay! I was annoying. Please add me. I'm Bunny6630 Movistar Planet UK, and I'm just looking for the MSP theme I can, because it has a really cheap t-shirt. Oh wait, I got confused there because my music's doubling. There! I went past it like. Oh! Like when I paused the camera, I went past that like a million times, and I'm out to find it with myself. Yeah, I'm on Fame Booster, and I'm talking crap. That's my YouTube channel. Welcome! So was this t-shirt? It can be nice, I guess. Like, it's alright, you know. I'm just trying to make a really cheap thing to buy because I'm always spending my money. 39,230. Wait, what? I can't. I'm confused. I'm confusing myself. You can make that in the design studio, I'm sure. So I'm gonna pause and go into like trousers because this video is going to be an hour. But I just decided to go into the Halloween theme to see if they still have this nice pair of dungarees, or I'll have to make a look of myself or something. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Almost found it. It should be in this one. Wait, where is it? Where is it gone? I actually can't find it, and I'm so mad because at first I was going to buy a really cheap outfit and make a really dumb video about it, but I can't find it now, and I'm angry, and it's put me in a mood. Oh my god. Yay! like, I hate it when people make looks of me and don't even ask if they can buy it. Like, yeah, making looks and saying, oh, can you wear this? Or something like that. But, like, see when they say, oh, I'm buying this. I hate it because Agavo has been blocking me and for buying looks of her because she's been buying looks of me and annoying me. So, Alex Pro 1234, she blocked me for buying a look of her, and so I blocked her back. So, like, I wouldn't block people for doing that, but some people clearly do. Like, it's not cheap, but it's the oh, the choice was still, and I forgot. Okay, I'm gonna click on me and like change my face and stuff. Oh yeah, there was an update that went on like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and it still makes me really happy because oh, I can't find that. Yay! Like the bits aren't the nicest, like with this outfit, yeah, they're really nice and stuff. But no, with this outfit, I talk a lot, but I'm talk a lot. I definitely don't talk a lot, like just randomly. Okay, so no, I want to change my face. I don't want purple eyes. I mean, look, it's like a bit. It's making me feel like it's weird because I've had it for so long. Okay, yes, I bought these eyes because I thought they looked amazing. Okay, so yeah, I'm cool with this. I'm gonna put makeup on her because, like, I mean, look at her eyes. Oh, like that was better than the penguins, but like I don't like her eyelashes. Like, so I'm gonna put eyelashes on her, and then I can end my video there maybe, or I can do like other stuff. I'll check out my wish list and see why I have see if I have a wish list, and if I do, I'll try to find out why. It's like really weird stuff I put on it because I remember putting these on my wish list and buying. Wish list. Really? Okay. Okay, so I'm really confused and annoyed and turning off this music. So bye bye music. I don't know if it's gone, but I hope it's gone. Okay, if I never said, like, done an intro, hello, it's me, Galaxy Girl, back for another video, and my outro now, bye! I'm annoying, bye!